Lot number 112 is a 2001 Ford F-650 box truck. This truck was put out of service, according to the shop notes, for having a bad transmission or having transmission issues. It was removed from service approximately 2 years ago. It was removed from service for having transmission issues. After it was removed from service, the transmission lines were removed to use on another truck. Well, I didn't know that, and I jump started this thing. It started right up and it leaked a lot of transmission fluid. As soon as I noticed it was leaking the transmission fluid, I shut it off, and I spoke to the fleet department, and then they advised me that it's missing the transmission lines. So I only kept the motor running for a couple of seconds, but as far as I heard, the motor sounds good. All I did was jump start it. It's been sitting here for over a year. All I did was put my jump box on it, turned over a couple of times, it started right up. So the motor sounds good. It's got low miles, I think it has 107. Let's look. 108,000 miles. 108,505. 5.9 liter diesel engine. Again, the little bit I heard sounds good. Started right up, but it was leaking all the transmission fluid out. I had to shut it down. Fiberglass hood is cracked in multiple spots. It shows several cracks. It's cracked there, and it's cracked over here. The front bumper's dented. The tires look good. Tires look good. The body is straight. The box looks rough. The cargo box looks rough. First thing I noticed is that it looks like some cargo came loose, slammed into the wall where this is touching the cab now. It actually indented the cab of how hard it hit. So the cab is dented. The cab has damage from the box sliding into it. Even the line on the door looks a little tight. So the box has damage to that wall where it's actually touching the truck. This side door, the little side access door here, is rotted. The wood is rotted out. The door feels very flimsy, and it's being held by a rope that's holding it closed. So that door is not functioning how it's supposed to. The side panels show dings and dents and scratches. I'm gonna call it normal wear and tear. The roll down door in the back is rotted and off the rails, stuck up there. It's got a tailgate, electric or hydraulic tailgate or lift gate, better said. It's got a hydraulic lift gate, unknown if it works or not. I haven't looked inside of this one, but I'll show you in the video. I'm sure the floor looks worn and it's got damage inside. I'm sure some rainwater's getting in there. I'll take good pictures. Make sure you look at all the pictures. I do see sunlight on the roof. The front corner over there, it is damaged, and I'll show you. Rear tires, they look pretty good too. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The driver's seat is torn. Passenger seat looks good, just really dirty. Headliner's hanging. Dashboard is not cracked. There are the miles, 108. Normal wear and tear in here. The cab is dented. And then, if you notice up there, both corners have damage, mostly this side. Alright, so there you have it. It's being sold as is. Mechanical condition is unknown. I did hear the motor run for a second or two, and the motor sounds good, but I don't know what's going on with the transmission. It's lot number 112 of 2001 Ford F-650. Good luck.